Hi guys, I'm Leonard Sonyo and tutulungan namin kayo para maging handa sa next hiking trip nyo. Alam mo ba ang tamang paghahanda ang sekreto para sa hassle-free at safe na hike nyo? So samahan nyo kami and we explore tips and tricks para maging handa sa next hiking adventure.
Hi guys, I'm James Carlo Ramos. And ako yung sa info dito sa video. So, ang aakyatin kasi namin is Mount Ulap. And yung Mount Ulap is a scenic mountain found in Itogon, Benguet, Philippines, sa part ng Northern Luzon. And it's known for breathtaking views and rolling grassland. Something. And yun, yung makyat kami dun, it's around mga 9 kilometers and 4 to 6. Typically, it takes 4 to 6 hours to complete yung pinaka-trail. So, ayun. And then yung mga key highlights naman is, yung difficulty sa pag-akyat niya is beginner to moderate and ideal for first-time hikers with decent endurance. Actually, nung umakyat kami doon, I'm a first-time hiker. And the elevation naman ng pinaka-mountain is around 1846 meters above sea level. And meron siya mga trail features like yung Jungle Rock, yung pinaka-famous rock formation na makikita mo doon, yung mga perfect mga masaya doon. And then ang Banao Pacoy, yung first peak panoramic view na makikita mo pag umakyat kayo doon. And then yung isa pa is yung pinaka-summit ng Mount Ulap, which is yung pinaka-highest point. Doon naman makikita mo yung pinaka-view ng lahat. Later, this video, makikita nyo, siguro sa dulo ng video na to, makikita nyo yung pag-akyat namin. May clip din ako doon. And, yeah.
So, hi guys! For the essential of hiking is meron tayong backpack. And then, so second is, pinaka-importante is first aid kit for in case of emergency. And then, sunscreen, yung favorite ng lahat para sa init. And then, pocket money para kung may mga kailangan na tayong bayaran sa pupuntahan natin. And then, flashlight para in case na abutin tayo ng gabi doon. And then, extra na clothes para pampalit natin. And then, garbage bag para lalagyan natin ng mga basura natin doon. Then, snacks para kung magutuman tayo. And then, ang pinaka-importante is ang water sa tumbler. And then, cup para sa iwas sa init. Yun lang. Thank you.
Staring at the blank page before you, open up the dirty window, let the sun illuminate the words that you cannot find. Reaching for something in the distance, so close you can almost taste it. Release your inhibitions, feel that rain on your skin. No one else can feel it for you, only you.
So for this part, here are some tips that you have to consider when you're planning to hike the Mount Ulap. So first, tour guide. Make sure na ang ibubook nyo is maganda ang reviews and tested. And also, dapat mag-fill up kayo ng emergency contact para just in case may mangyari during the hike. So second, take time to prep and plan. So the day before the hike, is ready nyo na yung mga kailangan nyo para wala kayong maiwan. And especially yung sarili nyo. Dapat kayong magpahinga para ready kayo kapag nag-hike. So third, weather checking. If nagpa-plan kayo mag-hike, dapat i-check nyo muna yung weather para alam nyo if uulan. If uulan naman, I suggest na huwag nyo muna ituloy yung pag-hike nyo dahil magiging delikado lang ito para sa inyo. So next, pack light and dry. Siguraduhin nyo muna yung ipapack niyo yung mga dapat at hindi dapat gawin before enduring the